হ্যালো।
हाँ চাচি বলুন।
হ্যালো।
हाँ
A distress call from Bangladesh.
লৈ যাওক আসামত।
हाँ আপোনাক লৈ যাব লাগে আসামত।
A woman from Assam uses the phone of a Bangladeshi journalist to tell us that Indian authorities have pushed her across the border.
আপোনালোকে লৈ যাওক মোক। মই চিন্তা কৰি আছো, আপোনালোকে মোক সহায় কৰি লৈ যাওক।
Since May, Assam has been deporting hundreds of residents by simply pushing them in no man's land between the two countries. This video, shot by a Bangladeshi journalist, shows one such group stranded between India and Bangladesh. Most Muslims in Assam have their roots in pre-partition Bengal. For decades, they have been vilified as outsiders. Many have been hauled up in the state's foreigners' tribunals, declared foreigners even without being heard. So far, they have been sent to a detention center. But now they face a worse fate.
This is the Matia Transit Camp, India's largest detention center in Assam's Kolpara district. Since May, the Assam Border Police has been picking up people from all across the state and bringing them here before pushing them into Bangladesh. The state claims these people are foreigners, even though many of them have legally contested this and their cases are pending in the courts. As more and more people get picked up, their family members have been arriving here in search of their loved ones.
मेरा पिताजी को उठा के लेके आया तो मैं आज लेके 3 दिन आ चुका ऑलरेडी। अभी तक पता नहीं चला कि कहाँ है, कौन सा कैंप में है, कहाँ रखा गया।
Last September, a tribunal had declared Babul's father, Altaf Hussain, to be a foreigner. The family was planning to challenge the verdict in the High Court, but before they could do so, Hussain was picked up by the police in May. He never came back. Now Babul is desperate to find him.
मेरा पापा एक्चुअली पेशेंट भी है, उसको बहुत हाई प्रेशर है। वह बरपेटा में वो पुलिस रिजर्व में रखा था, तभी मैं बोला कि पेशेंट है। वो एसपी ऑफिस जाकर एसपी सर को मैं बोला कि मेडिसिन देना है, कुछ कपड़ा वपड़ा देना है, नहीं कुछ भी नहीं। फिर यहाँ आया गोलपारा में, यहाँ भी नहीं, कुछ देने के लिए भी नहीं, बोल रहा है कि कोई अलाउड नहीं है।
आपको क्या डर लग रहा है कि उनको शायद बांग्लादेश भेज देगा?
हाँ वही तो डर है ना, वही तो डर है।
But even those who had protection from the High Court have ended up in Bangladesh. Ramjan Ali's cousin, Noor Islam, had secured a stay on deportation from Guwahati High Court as far back as 2019. Yet, he was detained and pushed across the border.
এটা কোর্টত বঢ়া কি কৰিব আগতে কোর্ট এটা দি থোৱা পিছতে ধৰি লৈ গ'ল
Cases are pending in the highest court of the land. Supreme Court is yet to hear the petition. The last court of India, pronounced them not Indian. I believe they have right to stay and enjoy the fundamental rights provided by the Constitution.
Noor Islam was allowed to return. He is perhaps among the few that the Chief Minister says were taken back after the state found that courts had stayed their deportation.
সুপ্রিম কোর্টৰ অৰ্ডাৰ আছে, হাই কোৰ্টৰ অৰ্ডাৰ আছে যে তেওঁলোকৰ ওপৰত কোহেচিভ একশ্যন ল'ব নালাগে। তেওঁলোকক আমি কোহেচিভ একশ্যন আমাৰ প্ৰচেছটোত 2-4জন তেনেকুৱা মানুহকো 2জন মানুহক আমি পুছবেক কৰি দিছিলোঁ। বাট থ্ৰু দ্য ডিপ্ল'মেটিক চেনেলছ, ইনফৰ্মেল এণ্ড ফৰ্মেল, এই 2জন মানুহকে আমি ঘূৰাইও আনিছোঁ। কিয় কাৰণে we have to follow the Supreme Court order.
But those who have come back still live in fear. Noor Islam has not spent even a night at home after he returned.
সেইবা মানে অন্তত ভয় এটা আছে, মানে ভয়ৰ কাৰণে মানে
কেনেকুৱা ভয়?
কেনেকুৱা ভয় মানে আকৌ পুলিচ নিলে আকৌ তো মাৰিব পিটিব।
Fear is spreading across the state as the border police goes door to door checking documents.
ঘৰে ঘৰে যাই আছে আৰু সোধে পান কাৰ্ড, ভোটাৰ আইডি, আধাৰ কাৰ্ড এইবিলাক চেক কৰে। NRC যে ফিল আপ কৰিছে, কোনটো লিগেচি দি ফিল আপ কৰিছে সেইটো লিগেচিটো লয়, এইখিনিয়ে। নাই মানুহতো আতংকিত, কাৰণ ইতিপূৰ্বে কোনোদিনো এনেকুৱা মানে বৰ্ডাৰ পুলিচ কোনো ঘৰে ঘৰে যোৱা নাই এই কাৰণেই মানে আতংকিত আৰু ইফালে মানুহে শুনা পাই আছে যে সকলো ঠাইৰ পৰা মানে অসমৰ যিখিনি এই মিয়া মুছলমান আছে সেইবিলাক উঠাই আছে
As Assam's border police continues to pick people up and send them across the Bangladesh border, fear has gripped entire communities. Many of the families are leaving their villages out of the fear of being arrested. Many of them are not even sleeping in their own homes at night. Most of them did not want to come on camera.
In a village in Lower Assam, we met a man who has been staying away from home. Nearly 60 years old, he spoke to us on the condition that we won't reveal his identity. He took us to the village he had grown up in, where he had lived and voted in elections, until a flood in the 90s washed his village away.
বাড়ি নিলাম নদী ভেঙে দিল 97তে ডি পড়লো
In the new village, he did not get support to defend his status as a voter and a citizen.
কাউরে সাক্ষী দিয়ে আলো না
Declared a foreigner, he said he has spent all his savings on lawyer fees.
তো এই বিগত 5 বছর ধরে কাটতাছে
Now all he can do to save himself from being pushed into Bangladesh is stay away from home.